Hi there. Today, I'll be showing you how to use PsycINFO Research Services Topic Mapper. First, navigate to the APA PsycINFO website at psycinfo.apa.org. Next, you'll come down to the Discover APA PsycINFO box, and you'll choose a book title that you're looking for by clicking Books. Scroll down to Browse All Books. For purposes of this video, we'll be using the APA Handbook of Trauma Psychology and click Search. Click on the book title. Next, in the Explore box on the right-hand side, click Topic Mapper. To select a broader topic, you will choose something to the right-hand side. As you can see, the APA Handbook of Trauma Psychology has 4 larger topics. We'll try methodology. Under methodology, you can see that there are some narrower topics as well. Experimental instructions, meta-analysis, content analysis, and more. As you can see, this experimental instructions leads you to both methodology and experimentation, 2 broader topics. And meta-analysis will lead you back to 3 broader topics. To select the legend, click the 3rd box from the top on the left-hand side. The icon has lines with blue bullet points. Filtering results based on the legend can help you focus on specific areas of interest or related concepts, as it highlights relationships between topics. Broader terms are listed in pink. The amount of articles on PsycINFO is below the topic title. Narrower terms are listed in blue. The amount of articles on PsycINFO is below the topic title. Related terms are listed in yellow. The amount of articles on PsycINFO is below the topic title. As we can see here, experimental design, it has 9,887 articles. And you can keep clicking through these different relationships to see either broader or narrower topics found within a given text. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, please contact the library. Thanks.